Hey guys, this is Mama Made. I have the Save Coupon Insert Preview that is coming on Sunday, February the 13th, 2022. In my area, we get these in our mailboxes a few days before they go out to other people in their newspapers, and they are not in the newspapers in my area. That's just how some places do it. I don't think there's a way you can just get them in your mailbox instead of your newspaper. Just a regional thing. So we're going to be seeing Zyrtex and all kinds of allergy medicines go on sale and have lots of coupons, I would say, starting in March. But here we got the $10 on Zyrtec and $4 on the other brands. Thankfully, we do not need regular allergy medications, but if you do, definitely stock up that time of year. $1 off Axe. Keep in mind, all of these Unilever coupons are always a limit of $2. $1.50 Axe Hair, $2 Axe Collection. Buy one body wash, get one men's for free. So you have to buy the white bottles and you get the men for free. 75-cent Dove Beauty Bar. 4 off of 2 Tresemme hairstyling products. I will definitely be interested in trying some of the new One Step. I just saw a commercial for that. So 4 off of 2 hairstyling, that's great. Hopefully we see a good sale on that. 3 off of 2 Pink Suave or natural hair products, and $1 on 1. 5 off of 1 Nexus. 3 off of 1 Shea Moisture. $2.50 off of 2 Vaseline. 3 off of 2 hair products on Dove, and 2 off of 1 Hair Therapy. That's a great coupon because I think we've been seeing $1 off of 1 or 2 off of 2, so it's nice to see that 3 off of 2. 2 off of 1 Dove Men hair product. Keep in mind that fetch offer that we have in grocery stores, not valid in drugstores. We have until the 28th to do that, so I can do it one more time. Sometimes it resets and gives us 5. So I haven't checked recently, but it does reset sometimes. We have had that happen. $1 off of 1 Quilted Northern. 4 off of 2 on the Garnier Whole Blends. Keep in mind, actual inserts can vary per region. And maybe you have some extra coupons in your inserts, or maybe I have some in mine that you don't have. That's always possible. $1.50 off of 2 of the Kikkoman noodles, and $1 off of 2 on the teriyaki. Do not know how to pronounce that. I do not care for Chinese food. Okay, so they're just advertising printables. Some inserts may still get these in there, but I haven't seen them in quite a while in mine. And then the Tylenol Cold Sinus or Sudafed, $1.50, and $1.50 on children's or infant Tylenol or Motrin. All right, guys, so that is it for the ad preview that's coming on Sunday. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.